Hello, I'm Puntri and welcome to the program. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a query to the same query. So what I mean by that is I've seen a lot of business and users, they reconnect the same query again and again and again. So that the first query, they bring the whole list of data, and the second query, which is exactly the same, they reduce to a number of records, say 3 records, and the third query, the same query again, they select them to 5 records or have a different transformations. But you can reuse the same query again from the first one. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's jump into my computer. I'll show you. So here I have a financial data set from a website, just a simple data sets which contain some governments and the countries. So just a simple data set. So here is just a connection to an Excel. As an example, you can use a database, you can use Azure. So I'm just using Excel for now. So I've got my financials data set, so I'm going to reuse that. So I'm going to close and apply. Now I'm going to connect to that data set again. So while that's loading, so I'm going to reconnect that again. Okay, so it's loading. Loading. So now it's got fun. So that's my data set. So I'm going to load that again. So I've got the same query. The first one and the second one is exactly the same. Okay. So what I've seen was a lot of people, they reuse this. So they say, okay, I only want the top 3 rows for the second query. Okay. Now imagine that you have millions of records in each of these transactions, millions of records, and every time you hit a refresh, it's going to take a very long time to come back the result. So I'll show you another way which you can just reusing the financial data set. Okay, so close and apply. Now, okay, let's that finish first. Now what you need to do is you have to create a blank query. So go to get data, blank query. So now it brings up the blank query. Okay, so to use that financials query, all you need to do is type in equal hash double quote financials and then enter. So this query one is a duplicate of financial query. Okay. And query 1 doesn't hit the database, it's just going to reuse that financial query, which is the one that connected the database. So now we from this query 1, you can just do, I just want a top 3. So in top 3, check with this one, see that? It matches exactly the same. So I could continue on. I could just connect to another query. I want to generate another query. I can just continue going. So create another blank query again. Blank query. So I've got query 2. I'm going to do equal again. Equal hash double quote financial. That's my second, which is exactly as the same as this financial. So now I can do, okay, I just want to top 50. There you go. Only top 50s. Yeah. So now all this query 1, query 2, it doesn't hit the database. It's just reuse of this financials connection. So that's how you do it. So if you have a better way, leave a comment. If you like this video, give a thumb up. Or if you're new to my video, subscribe, and it will encourage me to create some more Power BI tips and tricks. So I see you in the next video.